Alright guys, so guess what? My kouki has been shipped to the wrong address. Now let me explain. The company R&L Carriers is trash. They were delivering a pool table or ping pong table to an elderly woman, and they thought that the box, my body kit, my package, was part of her pool table set, because I guess there was a couple different boxes that went with hers. So she gives me a call. Luckily, my number is on the Fine Line Tuning shipping label. She gives me a call and tells me, hey, I have your package. And I called R&L Carriers to see what they could work out. They didn't do a fucking thing for me. They told me to either file a claim or either me or her would have to pay out of pocket to get it redelivered. So I was like, well, I have a truck and I have a van, so I can just go pick it up myself. Contacted Fine Line Tuning. It's not Fine Line Tuning's fault. It's R&L Carriers' fault. So if you guys ever get anything shipped by R&L Carriers, yeah, watch out. Just watch out. Fuck them, honestly. So today is the next day. I found that out. I'm on my way back home from work, and I'm about to go pick up either the Chevy Silverado or the van. We'll see. Pick up my buddy just to keep me company because it's about an hour away. Can't take the WRX because it's simply just not gonna fit the body kit. Told my boss, he let me out of work. He was super understanding, and yeah, I was really stoked about that. If the sheriff pulls me over, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. I need to get like a camera stand for my fucking car, because that was close. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do. So without further ado, you guys stick along on the little adventure, and let's see if I can pick up all the parts, all 9 parts to my Fine Line Tuning $3,000+ body kit that was wrongfully shipped to someone else's home. Fucking awesome. I am missing the rest of my day at work. I wasn't released early. In general, I was released early because I asked my boss. I told him the situation, and he was awesome about it. He understood. He's like, yeah, just go deal with what you gotta deal with. Come in tomorrow. Normally, I'd be working 9 hours today, but I only worked 4. So I'm pissed about that. And hopefully R&L Carriers will recompensate me some sort of money for fucking up the order. So, yeah. If you guys have ever watched Trailer Park Boys, this looks like Sunnyside Trailer Park. There's Sunnyville. Yeah, Sunnyville it's called. You'll have to see the middle. Right now it's just kind of like a basic trailer park, but the middle looks just like Sunnyville. Over here, fucking Sunnyville Trailer Park. Boom, right there. Right out of the show, dude. Holy shit. Okay, so some bullshit happened. There's 2 packages that I'm supposed to have. The hood, secured. Over fenders, body kit, front fenders. I don't know where the fuck that's at. They're saying they're gonna ship it tomorrow. Let's figure that out.
They call me Lightning Dancer. Do you want to find out why they call me Lightning Dancer? What? Because I'm a really good kisser.
It's beautiful.
Damn, alright, I can't even listen anymore. This is I'm gonna start crying and I don't even have a girl to cry about.
I feel that, dude. What's up, YouTube? Just got home from work. I forgot to update. Hashtag Sean Witherspoons. I forgot to update the fucking build from the last time I was recording, which was yesterday, when I picked up the vended kouki hood, which is sitting over there in the car bay. Here is what I believe to be the rest of the body kit, and this box is absolutely massive. It's probably like my height. I'm like 5'10". No, actually, this is probably like a 6 foot in length. It's fucking huge. So I'm gonna unbox it. You guys are gonna experience it all with me. So I'm gonna finish my lunch, and we're gonna crack that bitch open and see what a full body kit with fenders and over fenders looks like. It's gonna be fucking awesome. I wanna apologize for the lawnmower in the background, but not too big of a deal. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it now. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a process. I unboxed the hood yesterday and it took a long time. Probably be easier to do with 2 people, but fortunately I don't think anyone's really available, any of the homies at the moment. Let's go ahead and see what I can do alone though. Check it out. That is just awesome to me. Like, that just, to most people it's just like, oh, whatever, it's just a printed label, but no, it's kind of like a official seal that just says like, hey man, congratulations, you're actually doing what you wanted to do all these years. Since 2017, when I was I wasn't up to any good, and I was in and out of jail, and I always dreamed of this kind of shit, and now I'm making it happen, and it's just, fuck, I'm a little speechless. It's still unreal to me. I know maybe I'm overthinking it, but it's fucking awesome, man. Alright, YouTube, what's up? So, I got everything out of the package. Man, it was kind of a bitch to open it. And these are really sharp. So be careful if you ever get a box with this kind of support. Or support, just the staples, basically, like industrial grade staples. Yeah, so it was packaged very well. No cracks, no issues. This is a lot more delicate than I thought it would be. I feel like Duraflex is a little bit more delicate. This is custom made. So fine line tuning, fantastic company. You know, I just gotta be careful with these. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, 75 over fender, and 75 vented front fenders. And of course, a vented hood. Over here, haven't opened that one just yet because I'm not gonna start working on this stuff anytime soon, unfortunately to admit. The car actually needs some stuff done to it because right now it's being a 240 SX, doesn't want to start unless you fucking. Anyways, that's for another time. But took it on a drive and luckily it made it home. But then all of a sudden the clutches started fucking around and I was just like, what the hell's going on? But yeah, so pretty excited. This is just really an unboxing video showing you like, hey, it's here, it's gonna happen. When's it gonna happen? Well, like, there's never, I like to tell people, there's no date when it comes to a project car. You don't put yourself to have a date if you don't have to, because, I mean, I got a busy life, but, man, every single time I can work on this car, she will be worked on, and let's just hope that this kouki kit will be completed as soon as possible. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm signing out. Talk to you later. Bye.